4. The kick. In freestyle kick, your legs should be relatively straight, with minimal knee bend. The kick should come from your hips, rather than your knees. Keep your toes pointed. Your kick should be small and fast. Try not to let the space between your feet exceed half a meter, about 18 inches. You may think taking large kicks will be more powerful, but when it comes to speed and efficiency, a compact kick is the way to go. 5. Rotational momentum. And finally, your rotation puts each aspect of your stroke together. As you swim, your body should rotate from side to side to maximize your distance per stroke. When you rotate, think about initiating from the core and your hips, rather than your shoulders. As your hand enters the water and you stretch forward, you'll start rotating and maybe take a breath. Then, as your other hand recovers and re-enters the water, you will rotate to the other side. Put it all together and you have freestyle. Take time to focus on your technique, and you'll soon be able to swim faster and longer.